Rebecca Mink with Mink Shoes, and I'm here today to show you the best bridesmaid shoes for outdoor events. When you're doing an outdoor event, you need to keep in mind one thing, and that is the weather. So if you're gonna maybe possibly have some rain, you might want to think of doing a cute little rubber flat so that they can still get around and you won't ruin your event. Another thing that you can think about is if it's going to be on grass or dirt or something like that. So you don't want to put your bridesmaid in something that has a heel, that has a stiletto type heel, because it's going to dig down into the grass and dirt. It's going to be very difficult for them to stay in all day. You want a flat surface so they can stand on their feet solid. And another thing, you kind of have to keep in mind what type of bridesmaids you do have. Some might be really comfortable wearing heels, and others might really want to wear a flat shoe. Either you can mix it up, or you can talk to them about what they're most comfortable with. Thanks so much for watching. This is Rebecca Mink with Mink Shoes.